this is Shuman from ASA Technical. Today I am going to show you how to remove or delete an operating system from dual boot machines. There are several reasons behind a computer user might want to delete his operating system. Among of them, two main reasons: they might be using dual systems and need to delete one of the two, or they could just like deleting and reinstalling it again. But keep in mind that this is not as simple as format and delete the partition. But the method that I will show you here is very easy. Of course, this video will help you to remove or delete an operating system for dual boot machines. Well, let's get started. At first, let me show you from Windows Explorer. Alright, C drive is the Windows 10 system folder and E drive is the Windows 8.1 system folder. I will show you by deleting the Windows 8.1 from my PC. Alright, let's see how it can be done successfully. Alright, type in the search box, or you can type in runs also. Just type msconfig and then hit enter. Then you will see a pop-up window as you can see. Alright, then go to boot option. Then select your preferred operating system which you want to keep in your PC. I want to keep Windows 10 in my PC, so I just select Windows 10. Then click on set as default. Alright, next select which you want to delete from your PC. I want to delete Windows 8.1. So I just select Windows 8.1, then click on delete as you can see. Alright, now just click on apply to save changes. Next click on OK. Wait, don't restart your computer. Alright, now type in the search box administrative tool and then hit enter. Next open computer management. Then go to disk management from storage option. Alright, now select the drive of deleted OS and just format it and delete the volume as you can see. Now just follow me to create a new volume. Give a volume label, or you can leave the volume label option empty. Yeah, done as you can see. Now it has been permanently deleted from computer. Next, just click on restart. We hope you will like. Of course, let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.